Gloss paint advantages and disadvantages. Painting tips you must know. Ever wonder why your gloss paint end up peeling, bubbling, or looking patchy even after all that effort? The truth is, it's not just about the painting, it's about the preparation. Many people get excited after screeding and rush straight into the painting, but skipping proper drying time only leads to disappointment. In this video, I'll show you the real reason gloss paint fails and how proper screeding and patience can give you work that look flawless and stunning for years. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Temmy Profinish. Remember your space, my canvas. Today I want to talk about something very important in painting and home finishing: screeding and gloss paint. We look at the advantages and disadvantages, the right way to dry screeding before painting, and how gloss paint can truly transform your walls when applied correctly. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the journey from rough walls to a polished and professional finish. What you are looking at here is more than just paint. It's a story of preparation, patience, and precision. First, let's dive into gloss paint. It's known for its sleek, shiny finish that reflects light beautifully when applied correctly. It gives wall a luxurious, high-end look. It's also durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bedrooms. But gloss paint is not perfect. One of the biggest disadvantages, it's brutally dishonest. Every flaws or uneven patch, crack on the wall becomes more visible. That's why surface preparation is absolutely critical. Now take a look at the wall. See that drip? That's what happens when paint is applied over a damp, improperly prepared surface. Or it does not just ruin the look, it compromises the integrity of the finish. Which brings us to screeding. Now what is screeding? Screeding is one of the most important steps before painting. It's simply the process of smoothing the wall with a special plaster or filler so that the surface becomes flat, even, and ready for paint. Now the advantages of screeding are many, but I'm telling you just 5. And number 1, it hides imperfection like cracks, holes, and rough patches. 2, it enhances the final appearance of any finish, especially gloss. 3, it creates a smooth, even surface. Number 4, it gives the paint a solid foundation to stick to. And number 5, it makes your finish look professional and long lasting. But there are some common mistakes people make: not allowing screeding to dry properly, and that's all we'll discuss next. No, screeding need time to dry, and that time depends on thickness, humidity, and ventilation of the room. On average, you should allow at least 10 to 15 days for screeding to dry fully before applying any paint. If you rush this step and paint over wet screeding, here are some problems you have to face. The paint will start to peel off quickly. You may see bubbles, patches, or uneven colors. In some cases, moisture trapped inside will damage the wall over time, so patience is key. A well-dry screeding means your wall is ready for the next step. Advantages of gloss paint: when applied on a perfectly smooth, dry screeded wall, it looks absolutely stunning, giving your wall that mirror-like effect. And 2, it has a beautiful shiny finish that reflects light and makes your space looks brighter. The third one, it's very durable and easy to clean, which makes it great for kitchen, bedroom, and high traffic area. So alright, the disadvantages of gloss paint. It reveals every little flaw on the wall. If your wall is not properly screeded or sanded, gloss paint will expose it. It can take longer to dry compared to matte or satin paint. Applying it evenly requires skills. If not done well, brush or rollers marks will show. So the beauty of gloss paint truly comes alive only when the preparation is done right. So what's the takeaway? Gloss paint is stunning, but only on well prepped walls. Screening is essential for a smooth lasting finish, and drying time is not optional. It's the foundation of quality. By the way, for those who have been following me from the beginning, you will notice we have rebranded from Temmy Fix Roller to Temmy Profinish across all our social media platforms. It's the same passion, same creativity, just a stronger brand identity as we keep growing together. So if you are looking for us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, it's now under the name Temmy Profinish. And don't forget, this channel is not just about painting. It's about creativity, inspiration, and making your home a space you truly love. Whether it's wall finishes, decor tips, or DIY electrical setup, we have got you covered. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional, never underestimate the power of preparation. In painting, what's beneath the surface matter just as much as what's on top. If you avoid rushing and take time to prepare, your walls will reward you with a finish that looks beautiful for years to come. And guys, here's a sneak peek in my next video. I'll be explaining how a perfect 3D panel is installed, a wall on plus the advantages and the disadvantages you should know before using, and the kind of paint you should coat over it. You don't want to miss it. And thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it with someone who loves home improvement, and subscribe to Temmy Profinish for more painting, DIY, and decor inspiration. And remember this: your space, my canvas.